What is up, YouTube? This is your guy Christopher, and I am back again with the MR2. I got some good news and some bad news, so stay tuned. Here's the good news. I actually got some stuff figured out. I actually went to start the car, and it does start, but it's still running crappy. So I have to run down some like boost or vacuum leaks, so you can go check this clip out right here. The bad news, which is also tied in with the good news, is the engine's still running terrible. So I don't know. You can see in this clip I had some smoke issues.
You know you smell like motor oil now,
right? Me? Some misfiring issues, and yeah, we're gonna chase them down. We're gonna find it out. I mean, the intercooler pipe, everything looks pretty snug. So I don't know, guys. And then I'm gonna try to start it again. So hopefully the next time you see me, next time you see this beautiful car right here, which is not that beautiful, I gotta do a lot of work after it's actually starting and running right. We'll see this thing running. So as you can probably see, you probably see some color here, some green zip ties, some orange, some pink, whatever. I'm gonna snip those down or take those off. But we just kind of need to see if we can find boost leaks or vacuum leaks. So yeah, I want to update you guys. I have tried to start the car, as you can see from the clip. It just sounds terrible. Like I said, it's a misfire or something. And I've actually jumped onto the MR2 Facebook groups, and people have been really helpful. Like, the MR2 community is really helpful. So if you have MR2 and have some trouble with your car and you're not on the MR2 Facebook groups, get on there. And I'll put a link down below in all the Facebook groups that I'm in, or most of them at least. And they'll help you. Like, they really want you to like do well and have your car on the road, because they're cool cars. So anyway, like I said, this is just a quick update. Y'all should see some like spliced in clips of different stuff, like me trying to look over the engine, me cranking the engine, it sounds terrible, and then that should be it. That's all we're gonna do this time. I'm gonna do some more work on the engine, and then hopefully we'll get this engine started and it sounds way better. Now, you're gonna hear in the clips that I have, this thing is freaking loud. It's open downpipe, no exhaust, like turbo downpipe, nothing. So it's freaking loud. And anyway, with the misfire, what do you think it is? Like timing, or vacuum, or boost leak, or ignition? Drop a line down below. Tell me what you think. If you had any problems like this, please give me some advice, because I want this thing on the road as soon as possible. So thank you guys for checking this video out. Peace, and have a good one.